What the f are you doing, you ass?
Drink
You dumbass. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you had a lid? You didn't have a lid?
I guess it popped off.
You didn't do that on purpose.
No, I didn't do that on purpose.
Dumb.
You look like Cinderella right now. So, you dropped the lifter?
It's actually pretty easy to get in there. I don't know what everybody makes a big deal of it.
Didn't you just complain about it?
My wife did because she was in bed.
Oh, you pulled her out of bed?
I said, get your ass up. I need you to help me. She's like, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. All right.
What am I doing? Oh my.
Yeah, dude, it sucks. I've done this already once.
All right, go. Don't breathe on it. Pull the dipstick out! I see that. Hang on. Alright.
There's no way.
I mean, you had it. Are these steel?
Yeah.
Okay, so just put a magnet on the bottom of the pan.
Oh, how many magnets do you have, Juan?
I don't have any magnets here, but you have plenty of magnets.
I have 2.
Well, get one.
Like a simple...
And put it on the bottom of the pan so that the spacer stays put.
Alright. I've done it before. We just gotta, like, have patience.
I mean, I don't have to have any patience. You could just get a magnet and we could do it all in one time.
Fuck no.
Get a magnet, please.
Juan, you think I have magnets just laying around?
Do you have a light with a magnet on it?
Okay, hold on more.
You know how a magnet table works?
Okay, hold it.
Oh, what do you know? It's magnetizing it.
Smart. I never thought. I don't even know this is right.
Wait. You're missing a washer here. Get your fingers out. Take a real man with... Don't touch it.
With precision.
Precision. Don't touch it. I see you trying to touch it.
Sticky fingers.
Don't.
Hold on, let me guide you over here.
Don't touch it. Get your hands off of it. What part of don't touch it did you Oh my god. I don't understand why you have to touch something when I tell you not to touch it. You ruined it. I was trying to guide it in the back first.
Right.
Hang on. Let me.
No, something's not right, dude. Look.
Just put pressure. And then I'll get the rest lined out. You're not putting pressure if I can lift it. Put pressure.
I gotta change my oil like twice, Rich. Like you do it all the time, grab it with both hands.
Look everyone, he's working on his truck. And he's actually doing something. So what's your plan for 2K?
Mine?
Mm-hmm.
Sit there and just look like a bum.
You're only gonna sit there?
Yeah.
Why?
Because Texas 2K's not letting me race.
Why?
Because they said my car's not up to spirit.
Of the spirit, what does that mean?
I don't know. I really don't. I'm still trying to figure it out. If anybody can ask Peter what the hell that means.
Please send him a message. Ask him what that means.
Please do.
For those out there wondering, we are having a dyno night Thursday night at Horsepower Factory.
I'll have... What's those things called?
What?
A microphone.
You're not going to have a microphone. But we are going to be there Thursday night, Horsepower Factory. Are you going to strap this thing down? So people can see what 1,000 horsepower looks like?
On a piece of shit?
Yeah.
Maybe Peter would let me race it.
Highly doubt it. But yep, if you want to come see the Ratrod in all its glory, Horsepower Factory, Thursday night. I'll put the ad right here somewhere so you guys can check it out.
Yeah, yeah!
it'll probably be the night of this video. So yeah.
Nice way of giving them a heads up. Guys, by the way, Dino tonight.
They would have already seen all the other ads by now. But yeah, Horsepower Factory, be there.
Be there, be square.
You good to go? Are you gonna change the filter?
I was gonna run it and then rechange it again.
Okay.
Because there's a bunch of dirt and shit.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, that's fine. That works. Big shout out to War, who recently helped me out on my throttle body. As you can see, we also run the same throttle body on Andy's car. These are badass throttle bodies. They're cheap, budget build friendly, and they work great.
They actually,
easy to weld on.
Yeah. It's not an old eBay crap.
It's been a great throttle body for both cars so far.
Good enough for 8.3.
Good enough for 7/8.
7.8, yeah, you're right. Whoever doesn't like war, you.
Holy.
Hey, shout out to Race Part Solution. You can't even take these things off. They grab for dear life, dude. You can pull a train with that, dude.
These are permanent vacuum.
I cannot even take them off, dude. No joke.
Permanent push to lock things.
They will never come off. You want something that's not gonna come off? Race Part Solution. It's the solution.
It's a solution. Wait, make sure it's in park first. God.
It's on freaking Jackson.
I don't care.
Definitely. Park.
All right. We're just burning some oil off the headers, nothing major. That's what's fine. You got something?
It's good, bro.
Yeah, runs, starts, idles.
One thing I gotta check is...
What's smoking over there?
It's on fire.
It's on fire. It's on fire.
It's just burning a little oil and stuff from their hands and whatnot.
It sounds so much quieter.
You want to start it up and hear it?
I fixed it.
That's definitely
Yeah. Big shout out
big
to
shout
Andy's
out
wife Liz, who actually did fix the Ratrod.
the
Not Andy.
LSX master technician over there. It needs to be tuned.
Okay, just needs a little touch-up tune from Solomon, our buddy Sally. And that's it. You ready to rock, huh?
Yeah, I gotta...
What else you gotta do before Dyno Night? What? Oh, fix the leak.
No. Gotta burp the system.
Oof, good luck with that. Big shout out to Liz, who did half of the job and I did the other half.
And he just fucked everything
and
up.
he did nothing.
But not buy the dowel pins, the one job that he had.
Yeah, one thing he had to do was buy the dowel pin for the lifters, and guess what fell through the motor? Lifters. That's right, lifters. That's it for now. We'll wrap it up here, and we are going to
Let's take a guess.
You didn't say my outline.
No, I'm not done with the video.
Oh.
Already.
No, you don't need that.
So how do you do it?
All right, first we got to wrap up this video, and then I'll explain it to you. So wrap it up.
Let's get to work.